Have you ever made chicken pho using an Instant Pot? Well, try out this recipe using Quốc Việt Foods chicken pho soup base. Keep watching to learn. The first ingredient you're going to need is 1 clean and prepped whole chicken. Add it to an Instant Pot along with 4 quarts of hot water. You're going to add 5 tablespoons of chicken pho soup base, 1 tablespoon of Quoc soup jai vegetarian soup base. The veggie soup base is not needed, however, it will add a delicious sweetness to your broth. Then you're going to add 1 whole onion and about 3 to 4 slices of ginger. Close the lid. Pressure cook on high for 6 minutes. After it's done cooking, switch to sauté mode. Carefully release the hot air in the pressure cooker. Then add the spice bag that is included in the soup base to your Instant Pot. Let it cook for another 15 minutes with an open lid. At this point, you're going to remove the chicken and place it in an ice bath to cool. Remember to adjust the broth to taste by adding more water or more chicken pho flavored soup base. After cooling, go ahead and shred the chicken. Next, we're going to prepare our Quốc Việt Foods thicker fresh pad thai noodles. In 190-degree water, you're going to dip the noodles 3 to 4 times to blanch. Strain well and dump it in a bowl. It's time to plate up. Adjust the broth to taste by adding more soup base or more water. It's completely up to your preference. Add the shredded chicken breast and some ladles of hot soup over the noodles. Finish with cilantro, sliced onion, and sliced green onion. Feel free to add bean sprouts, jalapenos, fresh Thai basil, lime, and of course, hoisin and sriracha. There you have it, 40-minute Instant Pot chicken pho. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching.